Hello everybody. This video is going to show you a tutorial on how to get logged in to an ebook on MackinVIA.com. That's our website. And so the link is going to be dmschools.mackinvia.com. And when I enter that website, I'm hopefully going to see the option to sign in using Clever. So I want to log in with single sign-on. It should take me to an organizational homepage to log in. So this is where you're going to enter in your district email and password, the same ones you would use to log into your computer or your email. And then this will bring me to the MackinVIA dashboard, the homepage. And so you are more than welcome to browse through this to find all the different resources that are available. There's a lot of free reading books, ebooks, audiobooks, there's nonfiction. And so you have access to everything that's on there, okay? But today we're going to go to the top. You should see your name at the top. It's going to say welcome, your name, and we're going to click on this little backpack. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says class sets. All right. The code for finding our ebook is FAW525. Okay. And so you're going to redeem your code to get access to this ebook. All right. Now, I've already done this, so it's not going to let me enter it again. Instead, since I've already found this book, it's in my resource pages. I can just type in one last word, and this is what you'll see after you enter in the code, one last word. So when you open that, you'll see the entire book, okay? You'll see the cover, the table of contents, some background information, and then you'll see the poems. So you can read this at your leisure, okay? You can search through it. You can try to find a poem that you enjoy, and we will do more with this in class as our unit progresses.